Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set ticket priorities in Zendesk. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the Zendesk website and then just go and log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk, but guys if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Zendesk page where you have a lot of different options. So you have your account, you have the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, you have the help center, reporting and analytics, and some other things like that. Also, we have the your unsold tickets, which as you can see, all of your unsold tickets are here in one place, and everything that has to do with tickets. So unsigned tickets, you can see your unsold tickets, pending tickets, etc., etc. Also, here we have the customers, so we have all of the customers, their email addresses and those things. Here we have the organizations, and here we have the reporting where you can see the Zendesk support, Zendesk guide, Zendesk talk, and the Zendesk chat. Now, in the top right corner, we have some other things as you did have to do something with your profile. So basically, you can see here that we have your product updates, get help, we have the support help center, keyboard shortcuts, you can give feedback about privacy policy, and the sign out option. Now guys that we got all of those things out of the way, let's see what how to set ticket priorities in Zendesk. So basically you care to create a new trigger and then add the conditions below under meet all of the following conditions. You have to go to object, then tickets, then ticket is created, object ticket, and priority is. Then add an action below under action object, ticket, priority, and go normal, and then just click create. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye guys.